is going on? I've owned this now, i30N 2023 model, for just 1 week now. And man, I cannot be happier. It's worth being broke. Seriously though, like, I didn't mean to go and buy a car. I wanted one. Went to the dealership one day, and then David, the dude, he's like, yeah, look, I got one in the car yard, holding yard. It fell through for another buyer. Can we take it and have a look? I'm like, yeah, sure, let's go. So he took me in a i30N sedan, and he was giving it a bit of guts, you know. I was like, this is sick, mate. So they got the same engines, and he's like, yep. I'm like, cool. Went and had a look at it. I like started up, sat in the seat. I'm like, yeah, this is nice. The only issue was, we found out someone tried breaking into it. So they broke the back, like, little triangle window. Don't know, but anyway, so slept on it for a night. Like, yeah, nah, stuff it, I'll do it. Went and put a hold on the car. Waited 2 weeks for the window to get here. Got all the finance sorted, all that type of jazz. And it's so fast. Like, the first time I overtook someone, I put the foot down, had it in ed mode and grid shift on. Fucking, man. It was like it wanted to go this way and that way. I was like holding on to it, bloody hell. So I'm actually, yeah, just going for a drive today. Thought I'd make like a little vlog, tell you sort of what I what I like about this car after a week of owning it. So the first thing I would have to say is the ride. It is super comfortable. The seats are comfortable, and it's just so much fun to drive. I haven't been given it obviously too much sauce. Like, I haven't redlined it or anything yet, but yeah, the seats, the ride, the look on it, the wheels look good, the sound is fucking awesome. It is, yeah, something different. Haven't drove much in N mode, but sports mode, yeah. The way it downshifts and it gives that little pop pop, that's freaking amazing. Put the windows down, don't have to go over here, I'll put it on N mode. It's a bit windy. It's always going to bring smiles to your face no matter what. It's fucking insane. Out to the airport lookout out at Melbourne, just go for a drive. Thought I'd take the camera with me as well, try and get some photos, see how we go from there. Comment down below if you guys got one, what modifications you done to it, what would you suggest, because like I do want to mod this out a bit, but it's going to be a while because you gotta have the money for that first, right? Definitely keen to take it to a track day. I reckon that'd be actually super fun. The missus, she loves it. She's fanging it around and she's like, oh, I want to go to a track day now as well. So it's just, it's so much fun. The other day I was driving, went past someone in a Kona N, and it was first sort of interaction, you know, thumbs up, you know, it was like all sweet. It's like, it's a great sort of like club, you know, like everyone's like, oh, you got the N, sweet, yeah, like, you know, I just want to go on one of those N days and meet all the like-minded people. I reckon it'd be super fun. But yeah, I'm over the moon with this fucking car, to be honest with you. I haven't done any sort of videos for so long, but now's the prime time. Like, I've got a sweet car, why not show it off? I've always sort of wanted to create videos around something, so if you guys want to see more around the i30, you know, what could potentially do to it, all that type of stuff, leave that down in the comments. We'll be going to Europe in September, so there'll be quite a bit of travel vlogs then, but I know that if you come to watch this, you're probably not interested in travel vlogs, but who knows, we might see some i30s in Europe. Fucking, that'd be pretty sweet. The downshift. Oh man, so good. anything silly. That was a drive trip, saying 10.5 litres per 100 kilometres accumulated. So that's since the last time I fueled it up. It's not too bad, but I've been giving it a bit here and there, averaging 10.1. The rims are so nice. Here we are. So yeah, the back's pretty good. You get decent room in the back. I've only sat in there, I haven't travelled with it. Cup holders. Red calipers, man. Freaking nice. Got the end badge. In the back you got the strut thingamajig. Decent boot space. That was pretty sweet. I think I got some pretty cool shots. I got a couple of, like, I'll put them on the screen anyways, of like the planes flying over and the car in the background and that. So can't wait to get home and sort of edit them photos and that, see how they are. But the car is just, it's stunning. If you're thinking about getting one, I would highly recommend it. I'm still trying to get used to all the bits and bobs, but it's so handy to have like Apple CarPlay now. Before I was using a freaking aux cord to plug my phone in because I had an old car. But yeah, everything's so great. Even though you still got to plug the cord in to your phone to get Apple CarPlay, which this day and age I should be able to just connect via Bluetooth or something. But maybe in a couple of years that'll happen. Who knows? I've never been out here before. I reckon it'd be cool out here at night time. Come out with some food or something. Relax, maybe a couple of beers. Should do that sometime. I reckon that'd be sweet. Or a big N lineup, like of all fucking N owners fucking in this lot, just all lined up. That would look dope. Should organise something like that. If you're in Melbourne, should organise something like that, don't you reckon? Bit of wheel spin. Hope you guys have liked this little mini vlog of whatever it was, driving around, showing you the bits and pieces of the car, and basically that's it. Yeah, so if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this as well, definitely leave that in the comments, because I'll be definitely keen to do a bit more videos on the car and all that type of jazz. So that being said and done, hope you guys have a good one, and we'll see you guys whenever I make the next one.